Our intestine says a lot about our health, so when it works efficiently, our health follows along. But if there are any problems in the intestine, our chances of developing a disease increase considerably. To avoid constipation, irregular bowel movements, and reduce the risks of colon cancer, many people do a natural intestine cleansing. Have you ever heard of it? If you are already doing this cleansing and want more information, or if you want to learn how to do it, watch the details and tips on how to do this process efficiently. But why a natural cleansing? Cleansing your intestines in a natural way will eliminate toxins from your body and will help prevent many health issues. Many people do an intestinal wash to eliminate the toxins resulting from bad eating habits, which can cause tiredness, headaches, weight gain, and also reduce energy and vitality. See some ways of doing this wash at home. 1. Epsom salt. One of the best and more efficient natural treatments to cleanse your colon and skin is Epsom salt. When added to a hot bath, Epsom salt makes the body sweat, helping detox by pulling the toxins out the pores. This beauty treatment is much more than just superficial. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural cleanser that can be used in many different ways. Two of our favorite ways of using lemon juice are lemon juice and water. The daily use of this mixture helps clean the internal system and eliminates fat in the body, penetrating and breaking fat molecules. Just drink a cup of warm water with half a lemon squeezed while fasting. Lemon juice, baking soda, and water. The most common recipe is to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a lemon in a cup of mineral water and drink it in the morning while fasting. Drink it 2 weeks, then stop drinking for the next 2 weeks. However, it is recommended consulting a doctor before doing it. Besides that, this same mixture can be used as a paste for facial cleansing. 3. Apple juice. Apples are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which has both soluble and insoluble properties. In a blender, mix 1 apple and 1 cup of water. Let it rest a few minutes and it is ready to drink. 30 minutes after drinking the apple juice, drink a glass of water. Do it several times a day for at least 3 days. 4. Green tea. Green tea is excellent for natural intestinal cleansing because it contains catechins, a group of polyphenols that have antioxidant properties and help the intestine. Mix 1 teaspoon of green tea in a cup of hot water and let this infusion rest for 10 minutes. Let it cool down a little and add honey to taste. It's recommended drinking 1 cup of green tea 3 or 4 times a day. Intestinal cleansing with natural ingredients is considered safe. However, combining this practice with fasting or increasing its frequency may cause harm. The side effects include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, dehydration, electrolytic imbalance, cramps, allergic reactions, decrease of the healthy gut flora. So, to avoid any problems, the recommendation is to do an intestinal cleansing once a month for 6 months, then once every 4 months. And remember, your general health can improve if you keep a healthy diet rich in fiber and fluids. So, are you interested in doing any of these homemade intestine cleansings? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.